Let's talk about journeys. So you've heard of sequences, which is an easy way for salespeople to create automated outreach so that they can touch more prospects at one time. Well, the same functionality is now here, but for marketers. Traditionally, marketers would be using workflows in order to do automated outreach for their potential leads so that they can make them into marketing qualified leads. Now you can use a tool called Journeys in order to create some automated outreach that's easy to build for marketers. So let me take you on this journey on how we're going to show you these journeys here. So go over to the left side, click on the marketing, and then at the bottom of this here, we've got journeys. It'll bring you over to this page that I was already at before, and you'll click on create journey. Now, again, much like the sequences tool for salespeople, the journeys tool for marketing individuals has templates that you can use. Mind you, right now this features in beta, so it doesn't have a whole lot of templates that you can choose from. Right now we have 2, and this is where you start the journey. It has a couple of actions after you choose one of the 2 options that you see here on the right side. One thing that I love using with all of my clients is the lifecycle stage property. It's an easy way for us to understand how many leads, how many subscribers convert to leads, leads convert to marketing qualified leads, to sales qualified leads, etc. So I'm going to start with this lifecycle stage property, even though the journey stage property is recommended to use. Let's click next here. So you'll start seeing some flashbacks to the workflows that you've created for your marketing efforts in this tool here. So it much reflects what a workflow looks like, pretty well the same. We've got a trigger here. So if I click that, it will be triggered on a specific lifecycle stage, right? So for example, if we've got the lifecycle stage as subscriber, this will trigger the journey or workflow that you are creating. I'll click save on that. The thing that makes this easy is that we're not trying to update a bunch of records. We're not doing anything that's outside of a marketer's purview, what they're trying to accomplish in order to take someone through a specific journey. So by doing this, it kind of limits your options on the type of actions that you're looking for. So if I click the plus here, I got marketing actions, I've got process actions, and go-tos. That is about it here. So just like how sequences are sort of a pre-templated experience for salespeople to quickly do automated outreach for their prospects, this is sort of the same thing here in that you can send out emails, send your WhatsApp messages, you could wait for a specific activity to occur, or you could just wait for a set period of time. So let's click the send email. Automated emails are the only emails you can send out here, so you have to make sure that when you create your email, that's an automated one. So I'll choose just some blank email. Let's move my face out of the way. There's a pro tip here. It says include a next step to check for contact activity with any of these assets. Yes, add a follow-up, wait until action. So if I click save here, it will then ask me to do a follow-up action. Let's wait 2 days there until we've got a new journey path. So the positive journey path will look straight like this, one line, but the negative path will sort of branch off. And so this is what happens in the negative paths as you start branching more. So it makes building these journeys, whether you want to start sending automated emails or WhatsApp chats, maybe you're trying to create tasks automatically when a certain event occurs, this is a tool that allows you to quickly build that. Does it have all the same capabilities as workflows? As you just saw in that example there, obviously not. So this is going to be an easy place for you to start building out a specific journey for one of your outreach attempts. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you have any other questions, feel free to contact us, and we will see you in the next one. Bye.
Thanks for watching.